Hi, I'm Ana Marin, Digital Integration and Innovation Vice President at McCann World Group. I worked creating different kinds of content, from global campaigns to music videos and tutorials. I led the social media department on an agency called Avas, and also have worked as a planner and creative director. I'm a creative strategist. I find opportunities, trends, and cultural insights by analyzing the digital and social media presence of brands, the interactions between people on the internet, and the technology that enables human connections. Since we are working in a globalized world, it is vital to know the trends on the web and conduct a profound analysis before your next move. That is the only way to make sure your message will be received by the target you want to reach. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to develop a social media strategy by analyzing the best and most interesting campaigns worldwide. For the final project, you will develop a message matrix to personalize your social media content. First, we will analyze famous campaigns used by businesses and brands on social media. I'll talk about vanity metrics and how you should always aim for conversions, and we will learn what's a brief and how to set smart and clear objectives. We'll look at the traditional sales funnel and how in the digital space it is no longer linear. Also, I'll show you the tools to research and unearth opportunities. Then I will show you how to map your messages and touchpoints, and you'll be ready to know what a concept is and how to define one. With that idea in mind, we're gonna do some brainstorming and put it all together. Once you're finished, I will give you a formula for a great storytelling, so you can experiment with your content to see what works on paid media. Finally, I'll talk to you about the importance of measuring your campaigns and the different kinds of audiences that you can reach on social media. By the end of this course, you will know how to create your own social media ecosystem and content that drives purchases. For this course, basic marketing knowledge could be useful, but don't worry if you don't have any. This course is for anyone interested in creating and learning new ways to promote their products or brands and engaging with people on social media. Learn how to make the strategies that will capture the people's eyes.